Now we will add a new class to our ABAP Development Tools project. Just mark the package in which you want to create a class and choose New ABAP Class from the context menu. The class wizard starts. Enter the name of the class and its description. Enter the superclass, since our class will inherit from the already existing class in the ABAP system library. Press Next button and on the next screen select the transport request. You can create a new request or choose directly from the request in which you are involved. Press Finish button and a new class was added to the package and the template for the class gets inserted into the editor. And now you can write the content for the class, correct the syntax errors, save the class, run the syntax check, activate it, and so on. Just do your usual tasks. And now your class is ready. Of course, you can anytime delete your ABAP development object from the Project Explorer. Just use Context Menu Delete. By using this Activate button, you can also activate multiple inactive ABAP development objects. In this dialog, if you choose this Dirty Editors option, all dirty editors will be always saved before activating multiple objects. Choose it and press OK button. In the following dialog, select all inactive objects which you want to activate, or choose from the list which inactive objects you want to activate right now. Press Activate button and you are done. You can change the Dirty Editors option in the Window Preferences activation.